Welcome to Buy Smart, where we help you make your wallet feel as happy as a cat in a sunbeam. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights: the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. On my left, we have the Shark S3501, the mop that turns your plain old water into superheated steam. And on my right, we have the Dirt Devil Steam Mop, which promises to deep clean with just heat and water. So who will reign supreme in this battle of the mops? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S3501 comes in at a whopping $89, while the Dirt Devil is a more wallet-friendly $74. Reviewers appreciate the value of the Dirt Devil, noting its performance for the price. This makes the Dirt Devil a clear winner in this round. Next, let's discuss steam time. Both the Shark S3501 and the Dirt Devil claim they are ready to go in just 30 seconds. Reviewers of the Shark S3501 praise its quick setup and effectiveness, while Dirt Devil users also highlight its rapid heating. So both mops are neck and neck here. Now onto floor compatibility. The Shark S3501 is designed for all sealed hard floors and is praised for its effectiveness on various surfaces, while the Dirt Devil also claims to be safe on sealed hard floors. Reviewers for both mops appreciate their versatility, making them both excellent choices for multi-surface cleaning. Let's talk maneuverability. The Shark features a soft grip handle and an easy-to-maneuver design, which users find comfortable. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil boasts a 180-degree swivel head, which many users find beneficial for cleaning around furniture. Both mops excel in this category, but the Dirt Devil may edge out with its enhanced swiveling capabilities. Finally, let's talk cleaning power. The Shark S3501 removes dirt and grime with just water and has received high praise for its effectiveness, particularly on tough stains. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil also relies on steam and is appreciated for its quick drying time and ease of use. Both mops do well in this area, but the Shark may have a slight advantage due to its superior cleaning performance noted by users. In summary, both the Shark S3501 and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers generally appreciate the affordability and efficiency of the Dirt Devil, while the Shark S3501 is often praised for its superior cleaning power and versatility. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and budget. So who's the winner in our mop showdown? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with some serious maneuverability, the Dirt Devil might just be your new best friend. But if you want the all-around steam cleaning powerhouse and don't mind spending a bit more, the Shark S3501 is still a fantastic choice. So whether you're Team Shark or Team Devil, just remember, the real victory is having clean floors and a happy wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description.